Welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a simple yet delicious egg paratha. A classic street style snack that's perfect for breakfast or evening cravings. In a bowl, take 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Add 1/3 cup water and knead into a soft dough. Egg paratha is one of the most loved street foods in South Asia. It is believed to have originated in Mughlai kitchen as a quick royal breakfast. In Bangladesh and India, egg paratha is often sold at tea stalls. Resting the dough makes the paratha soft and easy to roll. Rub a little oil. Cover and rest for 10 minutes. For the filling, beat 2 eggs with 2 tablespoon onion, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix well. Add a pinch of black pepper for an extra kick of flavor. Always whisk eggs well so the mixture coats the paratha evenly. Now take some dough and roll it out. Spread oil and flour. Cut and fold as shown. Then roll again into a paratha. Dip into the egg mixture. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan, place the paratha and fry both sides until golden and crispy. Parathas are traditionally made with ghee, but oil gives a lighter version. Cook on medium flame. Too high heat burns the outside but leaves the inside raw. Eggs are rich in source of protein and vitamins. Whole wheat flour provides fiber for digestion. Fresh coriander leaves add antioxidants. Using minimal oil keeps it lighter and healthier. And there you have it, hot, crispy egg paratha ready to serve, perfect with tea, chutney or even ketchup. Would you eat this for breakfast or dinner? How do you like your paratha, plain or with egg? What's your favorite paratha filling? Share with us. Subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade snacks.